what's the biggest thing that's happened in my sector for the last year? Undoubtedly, it is the move to mobile, tablets, phones, smartphones, etc. That is totally changing the market. It changes how we work and how we live. So people aren't using laptops, desktops anymore. They're moving to using their mobile phones anywhere, any place. And if you look at the market, the brands that are really becoming sexy, Apple, always been there, but now it's Samsung, now it's LG. It's all around the moving from consumers to business, moving from just using your laptops, just using your desktops to actually anywhere, any place using phones. From a mobile perspective, the major theme is moving to 4G. So as an example, currently within most offices, the networks run somewhere between 10 and 15 megabits per second. Doesn't really matter what megabit means, but 10 or 15. Or actually, if you take for example in London, last week they rolled out the first network running at 300 megabits per second. That's a quantum change in what you can do in networks. Not only is it 300, that's 300 going up, so anything you're sending to 300 going down. And the commitment from that provider is that they will roll that out for the whole of London within 12 months. That will fundamentally change how we do business, and it will offer massive opportunities to organisations who create applications and services and solutions that actually take advantage of that speed and allow organisations to be more efficient, more effective and more dynamic. One of the more exciting things is actually where 5G is going to take us. Again, probably not well known, but Fujitsu's just invested, working with the government and with universities, to create the 5G Innovation Centre. Based at the University of Surrey, this will be working with the leading organisations in the world around 5G to actually create what will be the next generation of mobile technology. The second area that's changed our world over the last 12 months is content. As an example, BT fundamentally changing the game against Sky with football, which in the UK, as we all know, everyone wants. Where that's going to go is about bundling. The whole purpose of media organisation is not only for you to get your television, not only for you to get your mobile or your broadband. What they're actually looking to do is to create a trusted brand. They want to become the Tesco's and the Sainsbury's of tomorrow, both digital and real formats. The largest revenue opportunities for Fujitsu in the next 12 months undoubtedly will be home phone and broadband and MVNO. Let's take each one in turn. Home phone and broadband, Fujitsu is already a leading provider in the UK. We've rolled out service for nearly 500,000 customers on behalf of the Post Office. That's live, that's in, and that's working. We're now taking that learning and we're creating other opportunities with other customers. We expect to grow that population from 500,000 to over 1 million in the next 12 months. To put that into perspective, these are £100 million plus contracts. It will be transforming how organisations and how customers view Fujitsu. What it also acts as is as a foundation for cross-selling and upselling, because you don't just take your home phone and broadband, you also take your mobile, and that moves on to MVNO. We're creating virtual networks on behalf of those same trusted brands where Fujitsu will manage the actual rollout and customer contact for not only your home phone but also your mobile contracts. And again, over the next 12 months, these contracts will be transforming where we sit in the marketplace.